Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're under the magnolia tree, and the magnolia tree is not blooming, but it's got a little bud thing. And this is hive number 69 mag tree. That the last time we looked was on the 16th of last month, and it had a walking queen. Then I marked her over here on the 28th. She had eggs and larvae. So we're going to check them out today. She is marked. This will be on the playlist 69 mag tree. Whoops. Real close. Yeah. 68.3, yes, 11 days. They're out of food, I'd say. When they start laying eggs, they have all kind of baby food they got to make. So I need to feed them a lot. Get that down good. No bugs, no bugs. See, this is why I say peppermint candy works. They had peppermint. No bugs. 4 frames. See, another thing is you've got 4 frames in instead of 5. Let's say we had 5 build-out frames in there. The queen, which we've shown in several of our videos, the queen is a lot of times on the outside frame. And if you're pulling that outside frame out that's got her on it, kind of eliminates her. This one here is a good brood frame. There's nothing in it, but got honey. This side here has honey and little pollen. And you look a little bit harder for that queen on this one. Okay. Just going to take it and set it over here. And here has some brood. Could be old brood, but it's got larvae, which would have to be new larvae. It has eggs. This one here has eggs and larvae and brood. Good frame. She's doing good. Bottom clean. And here has brood and larvae. Eggs. Reckon I need to pull my veil down. This one here has the same thing, brood, eggs, larvae, some honey and some pollen, some nectar. last one here. We'll see what we got on it. Y'all remember the one I pulled out yesterday? I don't remember if it was 101 or 102 or 3 or 4. But anyway, I pulled it out. Couldn't find the queen. She was on the first frame I pulled out. Okay, this one here has honey, nectar, pollen, brood. This one here has the same thing. Got a little girl here doing a wiggle dance, bringing in her pollen. Well, I didn't see her. So we're going to say, okay. She hides good. I saw eggs. I saw larvae. So I'd say she's still in here. You can take this one, slide it over there, and we're going to put this one here, because this got more room for her to lay in. She may like it a little bit better. Okay, girls. Doing good, doing good. Let's break this off here, because that's what was underneath the feeder, and it could have beetle eggs in it, so we're going to throw it out here and feed the ants. Same thing with this one. Now they got their pollen patty, and we saw no beetles. I say it works. Where did the feeders go to? This is the water dish. There's nothing in it here. Okay. Out there. And then you shake the stuff out so we can look in there and make sure there's no beetle hiding. We're going to stick it back here. And we're going to give them some pollen patty. They got babies they got to feed too, don't you girls? Yes, you do. And some people may say, Sam, you feed those bees all the time, give them water, make it easy for them. And you're just going to make them welfare bees. Okay, people. Bees aren't people. People does that way. I don't know if y'all ever heard it or not, a little phrase called busy as a bee. There's a reason for that. And I'm not raising it for honey anyway. And they don't store water for honey. These little girls. Pollen patty, candy. bottom. Right there. There we go. Now we're going to put them back together. There, so I'll put over here so we're going to need. And that's that. And this is hive number 69. It's a new start. Queen cell was capped. Fixing to hatch. It's capped on the 4th. Fixing to hatch on the 13th. And she hatched on the night of the 13th. But this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Just have a marvelous week, people. Y'all have a good one.